Control number 45277, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Charlene M. Langitan. I am 28 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am a single parent. I have 2 children, 1 girl, 8 years old, 1 boy, 4 years old. I have my experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia since 2023 to 2025. My duties responsibilities: take care of newborn baby, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and watering plants.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to provide my family's needs, especially my children, to give my good future.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I describe myself a housemaid. I am a hardworking person. I am honest, respectful, flexible.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
If I say sorry and to tell apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
My employers treat me as same as family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
To my future employer in Hong Kong, good day, ma'am and sir. If you give a chance to give a chance to work with your family, I do my best and work and I do my best to work with your family and with dedication and care.